Let's read a book. This one is called I'm Like You, You're Like Me. It's a book about understanding and appreciating each other. Are you ready? Let's read. You and I are alike in many ways. We may be the same age or live on the same street. We may go to the same school or even have the same name. We are different from each other too. Our hair may be brown or blonde or red or black. Our eyes may be blue or green or brown. Our skin may be dark or light or in between. It's fun to find ways that I'm like you and you're like me. It's fun to find ways we're different. One of us is bigger and the other is smaller. One of us has curly hair and the other has straight hair. I like my body and how I look. My body is just right for me. Your body is just right for you. I was a baby once, and so were you. It's fun to look at our baby pictures. See how little we used to be. I've learned how to do some things by myself, and so have you. We can both tie our shoes. We can both ride a bike. We can both write our names. We have different families. Some families have many people. Some families have few people. We celebrate holidays and special days. Sometimes we celebrate the same holidays. Sometimes we celebrate different holidays. Sometimes we celebrate the same holidays in different ways. Even though we're different in some ways, we can enjoy being together. We can show that we like and welcome each other. We can learn to accept each other. I feel accepted when you invite me to your home to play, or when you want to be my buddy as we line up for the playground time. I feel accepted when you say I'm your friend. We can listen to each other. This is a good way to get to know each other better. We can learn more ways we're alike and different. You listen when I tell you a story. I listen to your stories too. I listen when you tell me about something important that has happened to you. We can tell each other about things we like and things we don't like. We can also try our best to understand each other. I can tell you how I'm feeling, and you can tell me how you're feeling too. We can tell each other what we want and what we need. Sometimes we want the same things. Sometimes we want different things. We can try our best to be kind to each other, even when we don't agree with each other, even when we feel tired or upset. It's unkind to make fun of each other or call each other names. That hurts people's feelings. Let's be nice instead. We're nice to each other when we hold hands, when we say please and thank you, when we take turns, when we give each other help. Sometimes we work together to get things done. We cooperate with each other. We cooperate when we build a sandcastle together. We cooperate when we play a game all the way to the end without fighting. When we cooperate, we can do almost anything. We can play together and work together. We can be friends. I'm like you and you're like me, but we're not exactly the same. That's why I like you and you like me. The end. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.